My name is Jin. I'm from Thailand and I live in Bangkok and I'm 13 years old. I really like doing stuff digitally and my mom is into graphic design. And I also like drawing either on paper or digitally. And I'm not really sure like what I want to do in the future, but I really like art. I think our teacher's like really passionate in teaching us and we can really learn a lot from her because she's a graphic designer and she experienced a lot of clients and how to design things in different styles. I feel like everyone has different personalities and how they interact with people, but there's like 4 people in our class and they're like really different and their styles are different, but their interests are the same. I think like if you meet new people, it's very common to feel like you don't fit in and you're scared to make mistakes. But like mistakes is how you get better and the more you like talk, you'll feel more comfortable and you can learn a lot from people around you.